Hello my dear students, how are you all? Welcome to day 45 of our series 99% in 99 days for CBSE Mathematics. I hope all of you are doing good. Yes, okay. So today we are gonna talk about bacha PYQs for this chapter related to circles. Okay, this is session number 3 for this chapter. We have done the concept part, we have done the questions also in this, but as you know, our structure is in such a way that first we learn the concepts, then we solve all the PYQs, and over the weekend we solve we go through a revision and then solve a mock paper, right? So you get a solution of a mock paper in the evening from our side over the weekend, right? So this we do for every chapter that we have for grade 10. If you have missed the sessions, please go ahead, check in the playlist for mathematics. You'll get all the sessions in that order only, available on our platform for free. Diksha Vedantu Foundation YouTube channel is there, a playlist is there. Please subscribe to the channel and get this entire playlist availed to you in the structured manner for free. Is it clear? Chaliye. So we'll start with the session, bacha. Have a look. It's going to be a very engaging session, right? We have to solve a lot of questions today. So I've taken a total of I think 12 questions. We're going to solve all these 12 PYQs. Achha, one question in this 12 questions that I've taken is not a PYQ, but I felt it is a very good question. That's why I've taken it. Okay. So I'll let you know which one. Okay. So if you look at the weightage of the chapter, plan you have already seen, right? Plan you've already seen, right? What is the plan, bacha? Circular ring was there. Question on circular ring keeps coming, and sector and segment also is very, very important. Okay, so how to find that, I've taught you these concepts in the previous 2 sessions of the chapter. Please go ahead and check it out. Okay, now again, for the weightage, if you see, we don't have a chapter wise weightage, we have for the entire unit, which is going to be 10 marks from the mensuration. Now I have checked the previous year question papers, and then I came to a conclusion that over here this year you can ask, they can ask in this chapter 4 marks 5 mark question. Okay, 4 to 5 mark question can be asked in this particular chapter. So circular ring can be again asked in MCQ category, 2 mark or 3 mark or 4 mark category. Means this concept can be asked in either 2 mark, 3 mark or MCQ. So question category is like this only: MCQ, 3 mark, 4 mark. Again same for sector and segment of a circle. We don't have 5 mark category anymore in this particular chapter availed to you. Means what I'm saying is, I've checked the previous year papers. For the last, I think, almost 7-8 years, they have not asked any question in 5 mark category for this particular chapter. I can say 9 years they have not asked any question. Okay, so I think last they asked was in 2016. They asked a 5 marker on this, if I'm not missing anything. But if I have, forgive me for that. But moreover, my analysis says that 5 marker is rarely to come, but I have taken one question in 5 marker anyway to help you understand and solve a question on it. Okay, so if they ask in 4 marker category, you can solve it. 4 marker is what, bacha? It's a case study. Okay, so case study, very important. Simple concepts will be there. Data will be given. Use that. Use the formulas to get your answers. I hope this is clear. Chaliye, moving on to the question number 1, which is the MCQ. Now have a look. The first question says that the area of the sector of a circle of radius 12 cm is 60 pi centimeter square. What it means? Area of a sector, okay, of a circle, radius is given. What is area of sector, bacha? If you remember, theta by 360. Means if there is a sector like this with an angle of theta, okay, with an angle theta, this is called sector, right? Sector AOB I can write. Sector AOB I can write, no problem, correct now? Then this area would be given by theta by 360, which is a part of the whole circle. Theta is the part, right? Whole circle is 360 times of pi r. What is r, sir? 12. So 12 square. Pi r square, na? Radius is given as 12, so that's why I've taken it as 12 square. And they've also given the area 60 pi. Okay, cancel this pi and pi, sir. Okay, one more thing you can cancel over here is 12 12s are 12 square and 12 5s are 60. Not confusing, right? You have 12 square over here. I can cancel one of the 12, right, with the 60 coming as 5. Okay, great. Cancel this also, 12 and 36. So 30 we're gonna get with 0. So 30. What I'm getting? Theta by 360. Sorry, not 360. 1 second. Theta by 30 degree, okay, is equals to 5. So theta equals to 150 degrees. Our answer is option number D, 150 degrees. Please check. I hope this is clear. Very, very simple. Question number 1 part. So question number 1 in the MCQ section is having the answer as D option, coming as 150 degrees. I hope this is clear. Simple enough. Yes, question was asked in your PYQ 2024. Have a look. Second question, the hour hand of a clock is 6 cm long. Correct now? Hour hand, smallest one, right? Hour hand in the clock is 6 centimeter long. Okay, the radius is going to be what, bacha? It's going to be 6 centimeter long, means something like this, right? We'll see that later. 6 centimeter is the radius. The angle swept by it between 720 and 755. Okay, how much is that, bacha? Please check here. 720, right? So from here to here, how much minutes are there? 35 minutes. This is the radius. Okay, how much is that? Radius is given as 6. Okay, 35 minutes. Time between 720 and 755. 35 minutes, right? 722, 755 is 35 minutes. Okay, both are AM only. Please check. Don't forget to see this out, bacha. Both are AM only. If it was PM, then we have to take 12 hours gap. Please see. AM and PM, if it is there, we have both. AM means 35 minutes, simple. Okay, great. Again a P by Q. So 35 minutes, hour hand. First, let's see the condition for the hour hand. So what we have over here, have a look. They're looking only for angle swept, not area, nothing. Means we don't have to worry about the value 6. Correct, now? They're not asking the area or perimeter, they're asking only the angle swept. So we have to just see the relation between the angles and the time. So for hour hand, remember this, 12 hours. In 12 hours, the hour hand will go like this, na bacha. Same position, 12 hours, same position, sir. It means 12 hours, 360 degree, it goes. 1 hour, it'll go 360 by 12. Correct, right? So what is 1 hour, bacha? Simply 60 minutes. How much is that? 30 degrees. Correct, na? We're looking for, let's say, 1 minute. How much is that? 30 by 60. How much is that? Simply 1 by 2. Well, now what is it? We're looking for 35 minutes, sir. So please put it here. 35 minutes. What I'm gonna get? This simply said 2. So 1 by 2 I have times of 35 degrees. है ना? 35 by 2 degrees or 17.5 if you want to write it like this. But I don't think this option decimal. No, option is simply this. Please check. 35 by 2. Option B is the most suitable answer. Have a look. 35 by 2 is the right answer, bacha. Have a look. 35 by 2 is the answer for question number 2. Moving on. Option number B, right? Yeah. Moving on, question number 3. The ratio of total surface area of a solid hemisphere. So hemisphere we have not learnt. Just take one formula, nothing else is there. So we have a hemisphere like this, no? The bowls, remember? Hemispherical bowls, right? That's the figure. It's solid, bacha. Means it is going to be like this. Solid, right? Okay. Solid hemisphere. This curved surface area is what, bacha, in this? You remember this? 2 pi r square. Okay. So why have they asked like this, sir? Because the PYQ, bacha. PYQ, you know what they do is they club the concepts together. That's why they have asked it in the chapter of, what do you call? Area related to circle only they have asked this question because they wanted to club it. Okay. What is the top surface area, bacha? It's a circle, na? So simply pi r square. Please check. Curved surface is 2 pi r square. The top is a circular part. So pi r square. So what is the total surface area, bacha? Total surface area is going to be 3 pi r square. How come, sir? Add these two. Add these two. 2 pi r square plus pi r square is 3 pi r square. Okay. Chaliye. Now what? The ratio of total surface area of the solid hemisphere to the square of its radius. Okay. Means they're asking what? TSA divided by square of the radius. Means radius the square. Simple. What's TSA, sir? This value. 3 pi r square divided by radius square. Cancel this. What I'm getting? 3 pi to 1. Nothing is there, na? So answer is option number C. Answer is option number C. Even though this question is from little bit from the volume surface area part of the next unit of next chapter of this unit, mensuration, but you can see this is very simple. Okay, 3 pi r square. Curved surface area is 2 pi r square for the hemisphere. Top part is circle, so pi r square. Add them. 3 pi r square divided by square of the radius is how much? R square. Cancels it. Answer is 3 pi to 1. Question number 3 is done. Moving on to question number 4. The area of the square inscribed in a circle of radius 25 root 2. Excellent question. Please check here. Square is inscribed where in a circle? So draw a circle first. Okay. Square is inside, bacha. Check here. So it doesn't look like a square, bacha. Please accept it. It's a square only. Okay. If not, I can Just draw this extra line, remove this extra line. So it's a square only, bacha. Accept it. It's accepted. Okay. This is going to be both, all sides are A. Will this be diameter, sir? I hope all of you agree this is going to be diameter, sir. No, sir. We don't know that. How? What is this angle, sir? 90 degree. How, sir? Square angle is what, bacha? 90 degree. Okay, sir. Angle 90 degree. Fine. We accept it. Angle is 90 degree. How comes diameter, sir? Property of circles. When is this angle formed? Angle on a segment is 90 degree when? When the chord is diameter, right? Angle subtended by the diameter on the circumference is always 90 degree. I'll repeat this. Angle subtended by the diameter on the circumference is always right angle. Please check here. Diameter. This is right angle. It means this has to be diameter. That's why R and R. Clear, huh? You don't have to write this all. Okay, even if this is a question, given in descriptive part, this is understanding. You have learnt it, right? Okay, chaliye. Now we can make a relation between A and R, right? What is that? Please check here. R plus R. So 2R square. What is the relation, sir? Pythagoras theorem, bacha. What about this one? Side square sum, na? So A square plus A square. What they've given? Radius they've given. Please check 5 root 2. So please take here 5 root 2 the square, and on the right hand side sum of the both is 2A square. Okay. Square it up. 25 into 2, right? Okay, no. Mistake, na, sir. What is the mistake, bacha? I've taken radius over here. I've taken the radius over here. We have to take what, bacha? 2R, na? 2R, right? 2 of R will be what, bacha? This is the radius given. Twice of 5 root 2. So 10 root 2, sir. I know you must have done it right. I got it wrong. Forgive me for that. 2R, sir. R plus R. 2R, sir. The length of the hypotenuse is 2R, sir. R is given as 5 root 2. What is 2R, sir? 2 times of 5 root 2. So 10 root 2. Now you square it up. 10 will be coming as 100. Root 2 will come as into just 2 equals to 2A square. Cancel this 2 and 2. What I'm getting? 100 root is going to be equal to A. Okay, we are not looking for A, right? We're looking for area of the square only. Okay. We are looking for area of a square only. So A square. What is the area of a square, bacha? This is the square's area, right? Square area, right? It means what? 100 is my answer. Option B is the most suitable option. Have a look. Please have a look. No problem whatsoever. Simple. 2A square. Here, divide 2 with 2. Root 2 square is going to be what, bacha? Root 2 square is 2, sir. Okay. 2 and 2 is cancelled. A square is 100. Again, square. Its area is going to be 100. Option number B is suitable. Chaliye. Now, question number 5. Moving on to assertion and reason section. Okay. So, acha, one more thing. I checked your papers, okay, and I found only one assertion reason, which was a PYQ. So I've taken that over here. But the next assertion reason that I've taken over, question number 6 is not a PYQ, but I've taken because I wanted to do at least minimum of 2 assertion reason. Accept this. Question number 6 is not a PYQ. I'll let you know when I show you the question. But right now, this is a PYQ asked in CBSE 2024 paper. Okay, chaliye. If the circumference of a circle is 176, okay, the radius is 28 centimeter. Let's cross check. Circumference is 2 pi r, right? Okay. What is it given as? 176, right? Okay. Great. Please check 2 times of 22 by 7 times of r equals to 176. If we solve this equation and get r value as 28, it means it means assertion is true. 2 pi r is the formula, right, for circumference. Please check. I can cancel this. 11 2s are 22 and 11 1s are 11, and I have 6 here left. 11 6s are 66. Okay, what I'm getting over here, 2 2, so 4 times 4 is 16. If you are confused, do one thing, keep r over here and take the rest of the things on the other side. I can do it like this. That's what I've done. 2 times 2 is 4, bacha. Cancel with 16, you get 4 over here. What you can do is keep r over here, rest all you can take on the other side, and then simplify. Okay, now check here. I'm getting r value as, I have 7 over here and then 4 over there. So 4 times of 7, and 7 in the denominator, right? It'll become cross multiplication. you can use, and it will come in the multiplication only, numerator. So 28 centimeters. Assertion is right. No, what do you call, problem at all, sir, for question number assertion part. Reason, sir. Reason, sir. Circumference of is equal to 2 pi r. Correct, na? 2 pi r. So correct, sir. Option number A is suitable. Please check. We have used the same formula, 2 pi r only. We have used the reason only, not to explain the assertion. So both of them are true, and reason explains the assertion. Option number A is suitable. Have a look. Moving on to question number 6. Now I said this question is not going to be a PYQ. So not a PYQ. Please remember this. Not a PYQ. Not a PYQ. Okay, but I have solved this question anyway because I want to take a different question for two questions for at least assertion and reason. Let's have a look of the question. Assertion A is given as if the area of a circle increases from 9 pi to 16 pi. Two circles are there. Let's call the circles to be circle 1 and circle 2. Area to be area 1 and area 2. They're given the areas as 9 pi and the other area as 16 pi. No problem. 16 pi. Great. Okay, we have to check for the circumference ratio also. Okay, first to second. This should come as 3 by 4. But before so I solve that, what can I do? Please check, please check, please check. Area. A1 by A2, bacha. How much is that? Please check. A1 by A2. So pi, let's say R1 square upon pi R2 square. है ना? Pi is cancelled. How much is that, bacha? R1 square upon R2 square. How much is this? Please check here. This is 9 pi by 16 pi. 9 pi by 16 pi equals to R1 by R2 the whole square. Pi and pi is cancelled. What I'm getting? 9 by 16 equals to R1 by R2 the whole square. है ना? What I'm getting, bacha? R1 by R2 equals to root of 9 by 16. How much is that? Simply I'm getting R1 by R2 equals to 3 by 4. Please check. 3 by 4. Yes or no? 9 root is 3, 16 root is 4. Is that clear? Is that clear? Okay. Now once I get this, we're looking for what, bacha? Circumference of, let's say, 1. So 2 pi R1 for circle divided by 2 pi R2. Circumference ratio, please check here. Circumference ratio we have to find out first to second. So 2 pi goes out. What I'm getting this as simply R1 by R2. How much is that? Check here. 3 by 4. Hasn't they have given the like same value? Assertion is true. 3 by 4 is the right answer. Assertion is true, sir. Look for reason. Angle described by a minute hand in 1 minute. Okay. Minute hand. Okay. Check here. This is for reason, bacha. So minute hand, what is the property? 60 minutes. Check here. 60 minutes. This angle, right? 60 minutes means the minute hand will go from this to this, right? Same position will go, na? The minute hand. Minute hand, right? 1 hour, na? 60 minutes in 1 hour. So minute hand will go what? Full circle in 1 hour. Okay. So 60 minutes, 360 degrees. 1 minute, bacha. 360 degree by 60. Cancel this. 6. So 1 minute is 6 degree. Have a look what they've given. They've given 6 degrees, sir. So reason is also true. But is the reason and assertion related to each other? Not so. Okay, not so much. Option B is correct. Option B is correct. Please have a look. Excellent, excellent problem. Once again. Okay, now. So you have solved with me total of 6 questions now, where we solved 4 of fill in the blanks, sorry, MCQ, and 2 assertion reason. Had fun. All PYQs, 1 question was not a PYQ. Okay, you'll accept it. Now we're gonna move on to the next set of questions, which is going to be subjective question, 2 marker, 3 marker, all of that we'll see. But before I move on to the next question, which is question number 7. Okay, I'm gonna do bacha. I have an announcement for all of you. Please have a look. It's about DSAT program, Diksha Scholastic Aptitude Test. Okay, what is this program, bacha? This enables student to make the right career choice between what? Between, let's say, social sciences, art, which is basically arts, or commerce. Okay, or science with maths, without math, which is biology. Okay, so which student from grade 10 bacha, let's say you are struggling right now, not able to make the decision clearly what you want to do after 10th grade. This will help you understand how to choose the subject, not because of the fear, I don't like maths sir, I'll go with commerce, I'll go with arts. Don't do that bacha, I will go with bio. So please don't make that up decision, it'll be very unhealthy, it'll create difficulties for you in your career. Okay, so make a right decision which is after having all the information for you, avail to you, explain to you. Okay, now if you're somebody who has already understood they want to do engineering, okay, very good, but this, if you take this program, this will help you understand your competency level right now for JEE, KSET and NEET. Means what is the most suitable options for you right now, how can you get better at it and be optimizable, be optimized in your process and be practical in your process and get the right option for you and work on that to improve and get better and get ahead in the competition. Okay, if you're right now in the career choice, you'll be ahead in the competition as well. Okay, so all of this will be clubbed together in this program. Okay, how can you avail it? So again, the link for this web page is given in the description of this video. Go ahead, check the link out, enroll yourself. Once you enroll, our team will get in touch with you. Okay, after the enrollment, book a slot on Sunday. Again, only available on Sunday bacha, no other days. Sunday for offline campuses of Diksha. You'll not find it online, you have to go to offline campuses of Diksha. Okay, once you visit the campus, you have to spend 3 hours in the campus, take up this program, and you'll be very satisfied with the program. I'll tell you how when I'm talking about the structure of the program at the end of the session. Right now, please allow me to go back to the question number 7 and solve the questions. But understand this, 3 hours Sunday offline campuses of Diksha, link is given here. Enroll and get contact with the team and book your slot. Clear, right? Chali, let's move on to question number 7. What we have here, sir, the minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeter long. Find the area on the face of the clock described by the minute hand in 5 minutes. Excellent question, sir. We just learned right now, bacha. 60 minutes gave us 360 degrees. 1 minute gave us 6 degrees. So 5 minutes will give me 30 degrees now. Please check here, 5 minutes is there, 30 degrees. This is all for minute hand. Minute hand. And this is all for minute hand. Yes or no? This is all for minute hand. Not visible. I can just rewrite that part. Minute hand. 1 second. Not required, but I'll write it anyway. Minute hand. I hope this is visible now. Minute hand. Okay, chaliye. 60 minutes, 60 degrees, 1 minute, 6 degrees, and 5 minutes going to be 30 degrees, sir. I hope this is clear, bacha. I hope this is clear. Okay. Now the radius is given. Minute hand of length what? 40 centimeter. Means if you draw a circular clock like this, minute hand will be what, bacha? Let's say right now it was at position 2, and it has gone to the position 3. Okay. What's the length, bacha? The length is going to be 14 and 14. Okay, what is the angle, sir? This angle theta is equals to what, bacha? We just proved over here, 30 degrees. We're looking for area swept by the minute hand in this region. What is that area? Please check here. This is the area, sir. This is the area, sir. Okay, this is the area, sir. Great, bacha. Once this is clear, let's move on to solving this problem. So what is this is what type of figure is this? So again a sector only, bacha, sector only, please check. So theta by 360 times of pi r square, right? How much is that? Please check. So 30 degrees by 360 into 22 by 7. What is r, sir? 14 into 14, right? R square, so 14 into 14, r square. Please check. I get here 30, so 12 I get. Then I get here what? 7 2s are 14. I get 2, what is it? 6. I get 3 here. I get 11 here. What I'm getting, bacha, please check. 11 into 14 by 3. How much is that? 14 into 1 is 14 in hand 1. So 14 into 1 is 14 again, 15. So 154 by 3. Please check. Not sure, multiply it. 14 and 11. Multiply here, check here. 14 into 11 is what, bacha? Is 4, 5 and 1. 154. Please check. Do the multiplication. Now if you take the decimal division for this, 3 5s are 15. What I have then, again 1, nothing is there, so 4 is there, so 5 3 1s are 3. Again 1 will come, so 3. Okay, and then 3 right now. Unit is what, sir? Centimeter square. Centimeter square. This is my area, bacha. This is my area. Have a look. 51.33 centimeters square is the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes from the position 2 to position 3. Have a look. Okay, correct now? This is clear, no problem whatsoever. Moving on to question number 8, sir. Question number 8, let's solve it. Riti prepares a rakhi for her brother Ronit. The rakhi consists of a rectangle of length 8 cm and 6 cm breadth, okay, inscribed in a circle as shown in the figure. Find the area of the stated region. Chaliye, let's solve it. Beforehand, we have to find out, bacha. Check this. This is diameter or not? Yes, sir. So this is going to be, sir, R, and this is going to be, sir, again R. This is 8. This is 6, sir. This is also 6, sir. Opposite sides of rectangle, so 6 and 8, like that. Okay. Now let's find the radiuses. How can you find that? Pythagoras theorem, na sir? Pythagoras theorem, sir. Yeah. Okay. Chaliye. So we're gonna do 8 square plus 6 square equals to 2r the whole square. 8 square plus 6 square equals to 2r the whole square. How much is that? Please check here. It's going to be 64 plus 36 equals to 2r the whole square. How much is that? 100. Take root now. 2r, excuse me, what I'm getting over here, please check. I'm getting this as 10 equals to 2r, so r equals to 5 centimeters. 5 centimeters, right? Unit is always centimeter, so 5 centimeter. Radius is clear now, 5 centimeter. Okay, chaliye. Once this we know, we have to find what? Area of shaded region. So from the area of circle, remove the area of rectangle. That's your answer. Chaliye. Required area is given by, check out this, pi r square, small r is there na. I have taken a small r, bacha, so I'll take this also small r square minus rectangle's area, right? So 8 into 6, length into breadth, 6, please check. 8 into 6, length into breadth, rectangle's area is clear. Okay, how much is that? 3.14. What is this? 25 minus 48. Okay, multiply this. 25 times 4 is 0, 100, right? So 0, 10 is the carry. 25 times 1. Okay, we can do that. We have a easier way out. What is that? What is that, sir? Have a look. Decimal removal. 100 comes here. 25 times 4 is over here. What I'm getting? 314 by 4 minus 48, na? 25 times 4 is 100, na? 25 times 4 is 100. Divide this. I'm getting this as 1 dividing by 2, right? So 1, then I have 5. 2 5s are 10. I have again 1, so 7 is a 14. This is it, right? Yeah. Divide by 2 minus 48. Subtract this, bacha, please check. I can do this. 157 by 2 is what? 2 7s are 14. Okay, and 1 2 8s are 16, and I have 1.5 minus 48. Please check this out. I'm gonna get this 0.5. 8 8s are 0. 8 and 8 0. 7 minus 4 30.5. It's the area, right? So centimeter square. Check this out. Please check this. This is your final answer. 30.5 centimeters square is my final answer. Please have a look. Okay, it's a PYQ again from 2023 given to you over there. Moving on to question number 9. Okay, a car has two wipers which do not overlap. Okay, each wiper has blade of length 21 centimeter. Means, let's say this is the wiper rest position. Okay, how much is this? 21 centimeters resting position. Okay, OA. Great. Sweeping through an angle of 120 degrees, so 190 is over here. So this is, let's say, first blade's position is what, bacha? Again here, after the sweeping, how much is this angle? 120 degrees. This is making a sector. Please check. Making a sector. This for one blade. Okay, find the total area cleaned at each sweep of the two blades. So let's find for one blade and multiply it with 2. Okay, so if I do that, area swept by one blade is what, bacha? It's going to be, please check here, theta by 360 into pi r square or not? Yeah, na? How much is that? 120 by 360 multiplied with pi. Pi is what, sir? 22 by 7. Nothing is given, na? What is r square, sir? 21 square. So 21 into 21. Please check this out. 12 3s are right. Then what I have? 7 3 is also gone. What I'm getting? 22 into 21. Please check this out. So 22 into 2 is what? 42. So keep this 4 over here. 21 into 2 is 42. 21 into 2 is 42. I have 4 in the carry. 21 into 2 is again 42 plus 2 is 46. Area will be what, bacha? Centimeter square. Centimeter square. Centimeter square. Clear, na? This is for one blade, right? We're looking for 2 blades. So area swept by both the blades. Both the blades will be 2 times of that value. 462. How much is that? 4 2 2 into 2 is 4, 2 into 6 is 12, so carry is 1, 4 to the 8 and 9, 924 centimeter square. Final answer. Please check. 924 centimeter square is my final answer. Please have a look. Please have a look. I hope all of this is clear. Question number 9 is done. Question number 10 now. Question number 10 now. In the given figure, okay, in the figure, a circle of radius 7 centimeter is there. Okay, chaliye. Let's have a look. Circle is what? This is 7, bacha. This also is 7, sir. Great. One more thing is there, very interestingly. Check this out. This, sir, this length. How much is that length going to be? 7 only, sir. 7 only. Correct, na? 7 only. How come, sir? This also is a radius only, no, bacha? So if I take this perpendicular line, how much is that? That also is radius only, sir. This is also a radius, sir. So 7 only. Okay. So I hope this is. I think this is not visible. So can I change the inch color, link color? Please check here. 7 only, sir. Can it visible? No, no, it's not visible yet. Okay. So 7 only. Just accept this. I'll mark this value. I'll just do a better job. 1 second. I'll write it here as A. Option. Let's say A. Okay. Now it's visible. So what I'm saying is actually, OA is also 7. What is OA, sir? OA is perpendicular to the diameter. Correct, now? Right? Even OA is the radius, right? So perpendicular, I can take the radius, no? Like that. And it's going to be what, bacha? Is going to be perpendicular. And radius is going to be again what? 7 centimeters only. Okay. I need that, that's why I've taken it like this. So to find the shaded region, please check. I have to use some logic over here. First of all, what's the first area? Let's call this to be first area to be square. Okay. Second area to be what, bacha? Second area to be circle. Okay. And third area to be triangle. Okay. So basically what I'm trying to say is area 1 minus area 2 plus area 3. From the whole, the big square area, remove the circular part. So it's just the side boundary, shaded region, and add the triangular part. Correct, na? If this was a piece of paper, I'm asking you to cut the circular part out, so fully vacant inside, and then add the triangular part. Stick it back. That is the required area. All of you will agree. Now check this out. So I'll find each of the area one by one. So first part, area of part 1, which is basically a square. Please check. What is that, sir? Side square, right? What is side going to be? This value, na, 14, sir. Diameter is same thing, na, parallel to the side, na. So same thing is what? 14. So side will be A square, same as 14 square, same as 196. Unit is centimeter, centimeter square. Okay, centimeter square. What is the next one? Area of circle. How much is that, sir? Pi r square, of course. So pi r square, sir. How much is r, bacha? Pi 7 square, sir. है ना? Check this out. 22 by 7 into 7 into 7. है ना? Right? 7 into 7. So cancel this 7 and 7. What I'm getting? 7 to the 14 and 14 plus 1 is 15, so 154 centimeters square. Two areas are clear. Have a look. The last one, area of the triangle. Area of triangle. Please check. Half into base. What is base, sir? The diameter. What is base, sir? Diameter. So 14. What's the height, sir? This length OA. So 7. I'll repeat. Half into the base diameter and the height OA. So 7. Cancel this. 7 times is this. How much is that? 49. Again, centimeter square. Have a look. I'm going to highlight all the three values which is important to us. First is over here. Second is over here. And third is over here. Okay, let's have a look. What's the area going to be, bacha? So I said area of the first part, which is square, minus area of second part, which is a circle, and plus area of triangle. How much was this? Remember, 196 minus 154 plus 49. Was it true? Please check. Yeah, 196, 154 and 49. Same thing is written over there. Yes. Check this out. 6 minus 2 is 6 minus 4 is 2. Okay. 9 minus 5 is 4 plus 49. 9 2 is 11. 4 4 is 4 is 8. And then 1. 91 centimeter square. This is the required shaded area. Shaded area. Answer is like this. 91 centimeter square. Please have a look. Required shaded area. Required shaded area. Clear? Clear? Very much clear, sir. Okay. Once again, have a look. I hope all of this is visible to you. Yes. Let's move on to question number 11 now. Shall we? Question number 11. Yeah. Let's look at this. Sides of a triangular field are 15, 16 and 17. Let's draw it. A triangular field is like this. Okay. 15, 16 and 17. Okay. With the three corners of the field, a cow, a buffalo and a horse are tied. So let's say cow is tied over here, buffalo is tied over here and horse is tied over here. Three corners, na? The three animals are tied like this. So cow, buffalo and horse. Okay. Chaliye. Separately with ropes of length 7 centimeter each. Means here also is 7, here is 7. They'll graze like this, na? They can graze the field. Let's say let's say, assume it like right now, a cow going like this. If I can graze, how can I go? I'm attached to this part, okay? Or let's say like this part, okay? Then I can go till this extent. No, I cannot. If this is fixed, no, I can go till this to this. I cannot, break the rope and move on. Okay, so I will have a fixed support over here. From there I can move like this in the same fashion. Every time, what is this length? So every time this length is always 7 only radiuses, right? Same way, go like this or this. Okay, what is the angle? So we'll see the angle later. So first of all, same way for buffalo also, 7 and 7 over here. So this is the sector, bacha. Please check. Again 7 and 7, and for horse also same way, 7 and 7. Sector is like this, 7 and 7. Let's take the angles to be something unique, a different way. I'll take this to be, let's say, angle alpha, angle beta and angle gamma. Means the sector angle for this vertex is what? Alpha, beta for the buffalo and gamma for the horse. Okay, this is nothing but the values. Okay, if you want you can take x, y, z also. Anything you can take. The property is sum of the all angles alpha, beta plus gamma will be what, bacha? Will be always 180 degrees, na? How come, sir? Angle of a triangle, sum of all angle of a triangle is what, sir? 180 degree. That's the only thing that you have to remember. Okay, after this part is clear, check this out. So what are they asking to find? Find the area of the field which cannot be grazed. So what is my required shaded region, sir? Please check this out. Very, very interesting, this part actually. They're not asking you the sector area, they're asking you this area. How can you find that? Total triangle area minus the area of 3 sectors. Let's find the area of 3 sectors first. Okay, so area of, we'll find what? Grazed region, means grazed region by, again, all 3 by all 3. Okay, what is that, sir? Please check for the first one. alpha by 360 degree pi r square. What is r, sir? 7 square. Same way, beta by 360 degree pi, again bacha, what bacha? 7 square. Last one, pi, same way, gamma is there, gamma by 360 and pi 7 square. Yes or no? Pi 7 square. Okay, 15 looks very closer to this. I'll write it again in a simpler way which makes no confusion. Okay, 15 is total length. Okay, total length 15. Chale. Okay, sir. So let's simplify this. I can take something common, right? I can take pi common, 7 square which is 49 common, and 360 common, right? What is left in the first one? Alpha, second one beta, third one gamma. Okay, alpha plus beta plus gamma, 180 degree. So write it over here, 49 pi by 360 degree into, how much is that? 180 degrees, right? Cancel this, 2. Simplify this, 49 is there, na? So 49 pi is there, so 22 by 7 I have, and I also have a denominator as 2, so into 2. Please check this. Once you take the pi value, it will become 22 by 7, and I have a 2 left over here, so I have taken 2 over this. 7 7s are and 2 11s are. What I'm getting? 11 into 7 is 77 meter square, right? It's the area grazed, no? So it'll be bigger, no? 1 second. Meter square. This is the area. What bacha? Area grazed. Very important. Area grazed. They're looking for area which cannot be grazed. The shaded region, the green part. Okay. To find that, I have to find the area of triangle first. Okay. So let's just check this out. Area of triangle. Area of triangle. Area of triangle. How can you find this? Check here. Find semi-perimeter first. So side A plus B plus C by 2. Side is what, bacha? 15, 16, 17 by 2. Check this out. So how much is this? 15 plus 17 is 34. Okay, no, 32. Then 48, right? 48 by 2 is 24 meters. Please check this out. 15 plus 17 is what, sir? 32 plus 6 is 38 plus 10, 48 by 2 is 24 meters. The area will become what, bacha? Byron's formula. It will become root of s into s minus a. How much is s, sir? 24 into 24 minus a. So 24 minus 15, 24 minus 16, and 24 minus 17. Please check this out. 24 I have over here. What about this? I'm getting this as, please check, 24 minus 15 will be what, bacha? 9. Hai na? How much is this? 8. How much is this? 7, right? Okay, 7, right? Okay, great. So I can do what? Make it like this, 24, 3, and 1 3 from here I'll club this with this. So 3 into 8. Check this out. 3 into 3 is 9, right? I've taken this 3 with this 8. So 24 I'll get. I have a 24 over here and 24 over there. Please check here. 3 is a 24 and 24. I can take 24 common outside. 24 and 24. Out of a pair in the square root, 1 comes out, right? 24 and 24, 124 came out. 3 into 7, what I'm getting? 24 root 21. Check this out. Required ungrazed region of the field is what, bacha? Basically total area. So 24 root 21 minus the grazed region, 77. Okay, centimeter square. Like this only will leave, sir? Yes, bacha. Like this only will leave. Again, this is not a PYQ. Not a PYQ. But it's a very good question. It's a very, very good question. Won't you all agree? It's a very, very, very good question, bacha. Please have a look. Okay, from here, we had to find the ungrazed region. Cannot be grazed. So first we found the grazed region. Okay, by using the sector formula. Alpha plus beta plus gamma is 180 degree. How come, sir? For a triangle, the sum of all angle is 180 degree. From there, we got the area of sector. All the three combined is 77. What is that? Area of grazed region. From there, what we have done? Find the area of the triangle, subtract it from the grazed region. Okay, we get the ungrazed region as this value. Required ungrazed region of the field is 24 root 21 minus 77. I hope this is clear. Please have a look one last time. Moving on to question number 12. So question number 12 now. A chord of a circle of radius 14 centimeters subtends an angle of 60 degree. Okay, at the center. Chaliye, let's draw this. Okay, a chord is like this. Have a look. Okay, angle at the center is what, bacha? It's going to be 60 degree. They've given it here. The radius is given as 14 centimeters. So let's write here 14 centimeters. Okay, great. Find the area of the corresponding minor segment. Okay. Have a look. They're asking us this area, segment. This area they're asking, bacha. Okay, chali. Let's find it out. How can we find this, sir? Area of the sector AOB, sector AOB minus area of triangle AOB, right? Sector AOB minus triangle AOB. Okay, chaliye. So this is 60, right? So this and this are equal. 14. Isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means this angle and this angle is equal. Sum of them is how much? This is 60, right? Sum of them will be 120 degree. How, sir? Sum of all triangles of a triangle, sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. It means A plus B will be 120, A will be 60. This will be 60. Whatever triangle is this? Equilateral triangle. So AOB is, triangle AOB is equilateral. Equilateral, sir. Okay, chaliye. Once that is done, let's find the area of equilateral triangle. Okay, so area of triangle AOB is given by what, bacha? Please check here. The formula is root 3 by 4 A square. So root 3 by 4 14 square. Triangle side is what, bacha? 14 and right na? 14 only na? 14 and 14. So 14 square. Centimeter square we have to write. Unit is what, sir? Centimeter square. Okay, let's keep this as it is. Let's find the area of sector first. So area of sector, which one? Same, bacha, AOB only. Theta is what, sir? 60 degree upon 360 degrees multiplied with pi. So pi will be right here 3.14. Okay, and r square, how much is that? 14 square. Can we cancel something? 6. Okay, so what I'm getting over here, please check. 3.14 times 14 square divided by 6. Again what? Centimeter square. Okay, chaliye, centimeter square. Great, this part is done. Now we are looking to find what? Area of the remaining or the segment AB. So area of segment will be given by what, bacha? If I call this to be, let's say, area 1 second. If I call this to be area number 1, area 1, and this to be area 2. So basically what I have, 1 minus 2. Check this out. What is 1, bacha? This one, 3.14 times 14 square by 6 minus this value. Root 3 is how much, sir? They've given here 1.73 by 4, 14 square. Right? Correct, na? I can do something. Please check. I can take 14 square common and denominator 2 common. What is left over here? 3.14 by 3 minus 1.73 by 2. Okay, chali. Okay, let's solve it. On this side, what I'm getting, 14 square by 2. What I'm getting, I'll write this again. 3.14 by 3. 3.14 by 3 minus, how much is it, bacha? Please check. 173 by 2. 1.73 by 2. Okay, that's it. Have I missed anything? Please check. No. So I can write here 14 square is what, bacha? 198, na? 196, sir, not 98. 196, sir. Okay, please check. Okay, what I'm putting this side, subtraction, bacha, 3. First we can divide also. Okay, so what we do is here, please check. I'm getting this as 6. Okay, subtraction we can do directly after the decimal point. Check this out. 3 ones are 3. I have a decimal point now. Okay, and 3 4s are 12. Great. Okay, 3 4 are 12. What I have 2 now? 3 6 are 18, right? Okay. 3 1 are 3 and 14, right? So okay, 0 will come. Sorry. 1 second. 1.04 will come, bacha. 1.04. So for 12 now. What I'm getting now, bacha, I have 12, so 2, 20, so 3 6 are 18, so 0 4 6 I'm getting. Minus over this side, I'm getting this as, you know this, so 2 8s are 16, and I have 12, so 2 6 are 12, like this I'll get 5.865. okay, please check. How much is this? 2 9s are 18, okay, 8, right? 98 now. Multiply with this, what I'm getting over here, 6 minus 5 is 1, 14 minus 6 is 8, 9 minus 8 is 1.181, multiply with 98, right? So multiply 181 with 98, check out, 8 ones are 8, 8 is 64, I have this 6, 8 ones are 8 plus 6 is 14, 9 ones are 9, 9 8 is 72, so you have 7, 9 ones are 9 plus 7, 16, so 8, 9 plus 4 is 13, okay. 4 plus 2 is 6, and then 7, I have this again 7 and 1. What's my answer? Simply this is coming as, what is it, 17738, 3 decimal places, so 17.738, okay, centimeter square. Area of required segment is 17.738 or 74, I can write now, 17.74 centimeter square. Please check this out. Required area, okay, this is it. Please have a look. So this is the answer, bacha. It is again an approximation. It can be different. You can take 17.74 or 17.8 also, something like that will come. If you actually take this, it will come as 17.8, something like that. Approximate this to 17.8, okay, maybe. All right, so something might be different in the calculation that I have done. You might get a different answer, but 0.1 decimal place is okay. Please check. I think the answer should be 17.8 something, but it is coming as 17.74. So please check. This is the right answer. I think 17.8 something is coming. Okay. Please check. Please check. Please check. Something is different in my calculation, so I'm getting this answer. Have a look. Cross check this answer. Very good question. Very good question. Again, your PYQ CBSE 2023 paper. Excellent question, right? Have a look, bacha. Okay. This is clear. No doubt whatsoever. First, what we did, find the area of triangle, then area of sector, subtraction of both, getting this simplification in terms of decimal, getting the answer 17.8, close to that. Okay, I hope this is clear. Okay, now I have, as I said, I'll tell you about the structure of the research program. What's the structure, sir? 3-hour session on Sunday. Great. In the first hour that we have for the program, we give you a lecture. We'll teach you a concept. Okay. So once the concept is taught, you can ask your doubt in the last 15 minutes of the first hour. The 1 hour is over, concept for 45 minutes, 15 minutes for doubt session. So that is clear. Second hour will be aptitude test. So you have to write a test on what you've learned. So second hour is also over. You can see that. We'll see your approach to writing a problem, okay, or solving a problem, okay. Now once that is done, third hour will be a most important session, will be where we're gonna evaluate your paper, and you can sit back with us, with your parents, and we'll show you what way you should have, approach the problem, what is exactly your way of solving a problem, any given problem to you, okay, in mathematics or whatever it is, okay, whatever subjects are given to you. We will explain you how your approach is and can you get better, or you're already very good at it. So we'll let you know all of the conclusion, positive or negative, we'll get you know, okay. Well, you'll get to know. One more thing, if you're having more doubts as a 10th grader, what exactly to do, what stream to choose, all the doubts you'll have, right, as a student, what you can do is write all the questions in your in any piece of paper and bring that paper to the campus, okay, once you're visiting, okay. Ask all these questions to our counselors and faculties. I'm very sure that they'll answer all the questions very clearly, and when you're leaving from the center after the program, you'll be very satisfied with all the process that you have gone through, okay. So please make sure that you have taken this benefit to help you understand and make a right decision for your career, and not lose those couple of years in the in an unhealthy decision that you have taken for your for your 11th and 12th, okay. And one more thing, if you wish to join our at Diksha, if you wish to join for the 11th and 12th preparation for anything that you have decided with your choice, okay, then you can get a very good scholarship based upon this test that you have taken, the second hour aptitude test, in the admissions fee, okay. So please make sure that you are taking this test, and if you wish to join, get this scholarship as well. So very unique test program for all of you to make the benefit and make the right career choice. I hope this is clear. So with this, bacha, I'm ending the session today. If you're new here, please subscribe the channel. We are putting a lot of efforts to come here to deliver the content, to help you with the revision for your boards examination for both science and mathematics. Okay, so any other feedback you have, let us know in the comment section. For now, I'm gonna say take care. I'll see you in the next session. Till then, take care, bacha. Bye bye.